I'm going to show you how you can delete your CapCut account in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is go to CapCut.com and then log into your account. Once you're here, you need to go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture, go to settings, and then right here you will see account information. So go there and go to the bottom where it says delete account. So basically by deleting your account, your profile, projects, and everything else you have added to your account will be permanently deleted. So if you click OK, this window will pop up where you can see all the things that you will lose access to, and your account will be deactivated for 30 days. After those days, it will be permanently deleted. So if you agree, you just need to click on delete, and that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.